we are recording. We're going to be filling out this little handy dandy little sheet here. Okay. At the end of the period, we will be gluing this into our notebook. We will be gluing this into our notebook. Actually, you don't have to hold it. Okay. All right. So the first square, right here, we're going to go on the upper left-hand corner. Upper left-hand corner. Okay, we are where it says adding with common denominators. That's the easiest one. Adding with common denominators is the easiest one. When we have 2/5 plus 1/5. 2/5 plus 1/5. Yeah. So we just add the numerators, keep the denominator the same so we don't change the 5. We just add the top numbers and we get 3. And then, of course, we always are going to simplify if we can. On this example, we cannot simplify, so we're done. Okay, adding with different denominators. So this is where it gets a little harder. 1/4 plus 2/3. So, Julio, that we're writing this down on our iPads, we have to figure out what does 4 and 3 have in common? 12. Very good. So we're going to write on the bottom, even though I don't love it, on the bottom. 12 and 12, because our missing word here is find a common denominator, not common. All right, let me zoom it in. Okay, now, do you see how the bottom number changed to 12? So that means I have to change the 1. Some of you, maybe not in this class, would keep the 1. And it's like, no, we changed it, so we got to change the top. All right, how do I go from 4 to 12? What did I multiply 4 to get to 12? 3. So I'm going to put, everybody right here, put a little times 3, a little times 3. Little times 3, a little times 3. Oscar, we're not distracting anyone. We're writing this down. All right, so what is 1 times 3? 3. So our new number up here is going to be a 3. Now, 3 times what is 12?
4.
Times 4 times 4. So I multiply the bottom by 4, and I multiply the top by 4. What's 2 times 4? 8. All right, so do you see how we turn the 1 into a 3 and the 2 into an 8? Okay, now we have numbers that are all the same at the bottom. We can add the top numbers. What is 8 plus 3?
11.
And we're done. Addition has those extra little steps. We have to find a common denominator. We have to find a common denominator. All right, the next square is subtracting with common denominators. Subtracting with common denominators. Okay, what is our answer?
3 or 6.
Oh, snap.
Good.
So smart.
But we have to
Simplify by 3.
1 over 3.
1 over 3. I mean 1 over 2.
Oh, yeah,
So go slow. We can divide the top and the bottom by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. Right? So when you type this into the iPad, what's the answer that will give you credit? 1 over 2, right? If you type in 3 over 6, it will not work. All right. Let's do
So easy. Wait, actually so hard.
do they have the same number at the bottom?
No.
So what you do is you look at your times table and you go, okay, what does 7 and 3 have in common?
21.
7, 14, 21, 28, 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21. What do they have in common?
So I forgot the 15.
What are you talking about? It's like right there, Gio.
I think I'm tweaking. I think I'm going crazy.
Yeah, look, it's right there. I don't understand. No comprende.
I
Right
think
there.
I'm crazy.
Yeah. It's okay. It's all right. It's okay. You know, all is forgiven. I thank you for pointing that out.
I was going crazy.
No, it's your teacher. It's me. All right, let me center it again. Hold on. Un momento, por favor. All right. So 21 minus 21, right? So then you ask yourself, 7 times what is 21?
3.
Good. So put a little dot 3, dot 3. What's 5 times 3?
15.
15.
3 times what is 21?
7. Oh, 7.
So what's 1 times 7?
What's that?
7.
What's 15 minus 7?
8.
Over?
21. 8, 21.
Can we simplify?
No.
Nope.
Yes. No.
Yeah?
Well,
Oh, 2. No.
here's how you look at simplifying. Look at the smallest number.
Oh.
What can I divide smallest number by? 2. What other number?
4.
4. What other number?
6.
N-
No, 8.
8. Any other than 1? Nothing?
No.
Okay, so these are the numbers. You always start with the smallest number. What number can I use? I can use 2, I can use 4, I can use 8, right? So then you look at the 21. Can I use 2 with the 21?
No.
No.
Can I use 4 with the 21?
No.
8 with the 21?
Yeah. No.
Nope. So we are done. So some of you can do this in your head. You're like, okay, what number can I divide 8 by? Boom, boom, boom. Can I use a 21? Nope. We're done. All right. Multiplying. It's the easiest one.
It is?
Yeah.
Not know that.
2/5, 15 over 22. Now, before you multiply straight across, what I want you to do is to
Simplify.
check the corners.
Yeah, I don't need that.
Check. We should write another note. Except Dylan. Because he's built different.
Yeah, see? You're starting to get in this.
Yeah, it just took me 6 weeks or 7 weeks now. Yeah. Okay, so let's check the corners. 5 and 15. What can I divide 5 and 15 by?
3.
I can put a 3 right there. So everybody put a little 5 right there, a little division.
And then
Yeah. What's 5 divided by 5? 1. Cross it out. Circle it. 15 divided by 5. 3. Cross it out. Now, like someone said over here, but I wasn't sure who said it. Mel, we can also do the other corners, right? Very good. 2 and 22. What can I divide 2 with? Nice. Love it. Love it.
12.
Good job, Alex.
Ain't no 12 in this problem. What's 2 divided by 2?
1.
What's 22 divided by 2? 11.
Oh, no, 11.
You know. Some of you are very good at math, but you think you don't. But you're now older, and you can understand math more. Maybe the 3rd grader did not understand it, but now that you're a 7th grader, you're going to start to learn and understand things better in all of your classes, right?
Especially science.
I forgot to do 3rd grade math.
Okay. 1 times 3. So you multiply the things in the circle. What's 1 times 3? 3. What's 1 times 11? 11. Can we simplify? Nope. So we are done, but we're going to write the word simplify.
I didn't want to show my work. I just knew it.
Don't tell that to your math teacher. She'll be very upset. Because what does your math teacher love to see?
Word.
Work.
Yeah, I know that.
And not sitting like that, because then you're going to fall back.
Who?
You
Do you have a question? Did I hear that? Do you have a question?
I have a hypothetical question.
Oh, that has to do with math? Because we are recording?
Yes.
I know. I heard you the first time.
Is we can simplify a bunch of large number and like it'll take us a long time to simplify it. Do we still simplify it or?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. If you get really big numbers, aka what Dylan's going to get, Mel, hypothetically, I would suggest you go back and see if you can simplify the corners and redo it. Because if you're dealing with really big numbers here, it can lead you to make more mistakes or a mistake. Yes?
What happens if you can't simplify like that?
Yeah, then you're done. But if they're really big numbers, you might be like, can I? I'm not sure. I don't know. They're really big numbers. So again, it looks like a lot of work, but it actually makes the math easier. It really makes the math easier for you.
I have a question.
Yes.
Like that word.
Yes.
I think no.
Okay, cool. Let's move on. I love it. 3 over 4 divided by 9 over 16. 3 over 4 divided by 9 over 16. All right. So,
We're supposed to multiply, right?
yes, we have to. Oh, I have to write that down. We have to keep, change, flip, then check corners. Check the corners. And then what's the last thing is to simplify. So we're going to keep, change, flip. We're going to simplify the corners. You know, when I was teaching addition and you said it was boring, guess which problems you missed?
The addition?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're saying
Can you tell me what he did wrong? Well, you called this lesson boring. What was the number one mistake he did?
He didn't simplify.
Nope. Mm-hmm. What did he not do?
Divide the main column denominator.
And then do what?
And then simplify.
No. How did he get 5?
I added
4 and 1.
Are you so
multiply?
Did he change the top numbers?
No.
What's the number one thing mistake kids do is they don't change the top numbers.
So let's just build built it from birth,
Well, let's not build. No, I don't want to reproduce this build.
See, guys, I got them all right.
All right. So this one, you know what? This is too tight. I'm not going to write it right here. So we're going to keep the first fraction. Division turns into. Oops, sorry. Division turns into what? Multiplication. And then we're going to flip it. What are we going to flip it to? Perfect. Good job. This is the only one we flip. We didn't flip in any other problem except for this one. So we're flipping this one. All right. Now check the corners because, Mel, I really don't want to deal with 3 times 16. Too big of a number.
48.
Don't want to deal with it. All right. 3 and 9. What can I divide 3 and 9 by?
3. 3.
1.
3 divided by 3?
1.
9 divided by 3?
3.
4 and 16. What can I divide 4 and 16 by?
4.
2.
2 works, but what's better? 4. All right, write it down.
1.
4 divided by 4?
1.
1. 16 divided by 4?
4.
Oh. 16 over 3. But.
No, we changed the 16 to a 4. Did you?
Oh, no.
What's 1 times 4?
Oh, 4.
No, but 3 times.
4.
It's 12.
And then 1 times 3?
3.
Oh.
Improper. Make it into a mixed
Number.
number.
1 over 1/3.
1 and
1/3.
1/3.
That first try. 1 whole and 1/3.
Oh.
You have to show my work. I finished it in milliseconds. That's how easy it was. Bro, it's just my time, bro. I should be in Harvard.
MIT.
I rejected Harvard to come here.
Oh, you're so nice.
Yeah, totally.
We are so grateful.